A young gull. Come on then. Dodgy. Dodgy. Go and get your photograph taken. You animal. He's only that much from the cat's food. Oh, did I hear the rattle of food? They come here and they pack a few, but I mean, that wouldn't fill them up, what's there. And as far as I know, he's got webbed feet, so he's a seabird. He should be out catching fish. Go and catch, look at your beak. You spear the fish with your beak and then eat it. Not the beak, eat the fish. Well, while we're here, still got a carpet of daisies dotted about. They did cut a load down the other end, but said it was a shame if they're going to cut this, but they haven't touched it yet. I think this will be about another month. We've got these. They're quite prolific. Prolific. Come on then, smile for the camera. That's me, that is. That's a good impression, isn't it? Hey, Chuchi. Come on. What are you doing? You coming? Are you going? When Sanya's mum comes out, follow her. She's got loads of food. She has. Lots and lots. I had terrible heartburn during the night. I took one of the tablets you take.
Antacids.
Yeah, and it eased it. But I had a sore stomach this morning when I finally woke up. But that was remedied in a few minutes.
With a quick number 2.
Yeah.
Come on.
She's calling you. Come on. That's a good boy.
Or a girl.
Or a girl.
We do not know.
Well, it's big, so it's a girl.
Not that.
No, not plastic. Come here. Come here. Not going to harm you, but we might eat you. It's Easter Monday after all.
We can't afford turkey, so
Yeah, so,
Seagull will do.
Yeah. Yeah. Did everybody have a good Easter? Easter Sunday? Plenty of chocolate? I had 2 chocolate eggs and a chocolate bunny. I think that's it. I think it's all gone now. Just Sandy ate the rest.
I sure did.
Yeah. I bet you did as well. So none left.
I still have mine.
Oh, you still have yours? Oh,
Yeah, I didn't eat.
I thought you did.
I'm gonna end up in your belly as always.
That's not fair. I'm not like that at all. I haven't had chocolate for about 6 months, and you made me eat that yesterday.
I made you.
Yeah.
All I said is here.
Well, I couldn't let it lie there and melt. There he is.
Let him eat.
Chopped up.
Let
Yeah,
him
I'm
eat.
gonna. This is wildlife on one, and this is the. Oh, you tip your plate over. What's the matter with you? You've not got no table manners. Jump down and get it. Go on, good boy. That's it. Now feed up, because they won't get another feed like this till maybe tomorrow. Yeah, you like being on film, don't you? What should we call you? Eric.
He's not Eric.
Isn't he? What is he then? Michael.
Or Maisie.
Herbie?
Or Maisie.
Or Seagull. Might be a girl. Always pecking at ends. How much is that doggy in the window? Come on then, eat it all. Then we can go. Yeah? Give me 5. Well, you can't, can you? Give me 2. I was coming to give me 2 there. Yeah, there's food about. Your mum and dad aren't around, are they? Hey?
No, I'm here on my own.
All by myself. Hey, there you are.
You finished?
Finito.
Let me put this away, babe.
It's a rare Dalmatian seagull on the Dalmatian coastline. I ain't got none left. There might be a bit down there. Alright. Up. Up. Good. Thingy bob. Come on then.
Yeah, there's a piece here.
Yeah, I
See,
was trying to get
I
that.
think he's trying to get to that.
Come on then. That's it. Go on, peck it. Nobody's going to get you. Hey. Good boy. Right, we're going. See ya. Wouldn't want to be here. Right, so I'm going to close now. Catch you later, folks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.